everyone, this is just my self-care product. Today is Friday the 14th and we are about to do, Mama, what are we doing today?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. Yes, so we're going to show you guys the ingredients and I'm cooking with Baby J. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show the ingredients. Baby J, tell us what you have. What is this? Vanilla.
Butter.
Soda.
Egg. Soap.
Sugar.
Milk.
Flour. So this one. Bowl.
Banana.
And then what is this?
Olive oil.
Good girl. And then we have, say cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
And then we have ginger. Good. We're ready to do bread. Ready? Jenna, you gonna peel the banana for mommy?
Okay.
Okay. Mix all together. Good girl. So this one is going in the oven and then we're going to do another second one. Alright, this is our banana bread. It's going in the oven. We are here to see how it's looking. Ready? We're almost ready to take the banana bread. Let's see. That's what this is. That's what I want to. Now Baby J is gonna try. She like honey, guys, so I put honey on the bread, the banana bread, and now she's gonna try and let's see whether she like her own cooking. How's it? You like it? Baby J like it, but she just focusing on her iPad. She eats all the first batch. Look at this, and then she asks for another one.
Ask for round
And
two.
this is how Baby
it?
J banana cake
honey.
is delicious. My turn to try. Ciao, Bella.